Okay, so that's one of my favorite SNL skits of all time, and that's what we're doing today. So we're going to work on some intonation, and this is from our textbook website, and they are going to give us some short explanations of how we are going to use the inflection of our voice. Does it go up or does it go down? So just like in English, sometimes your voice goes up at the end, and sometimes your voice goes down at the end. So if you can't hear the difference, we're going to be playing a few of these examples, and you'll be able to maybe understand what I mean by going up and down with your intonation. So a declarative sentence is just a sentence that is going to be giving someone information. In a short declarative sentence, the pitch of your voice or intonation falls on the final word or syllable. So let's listen to this one. Nathalie est française. So you hear how it kind of goes down. It doesn't go up, it goes down. I don't know if it's going to be as loud for you as it is for me, but it sounds like an alien is talking to me. So when you have a longer sentence, you are going to have the intonation rise and then it'll fall. And so it usually rises right before the comma and then falls on the last syllable. Did you hear how she goes up and then she goes down? So this one, it is a sentence that contains a list of things. So we see that Martine is young, blonde, and pretty. So since there is a list, you're going to go up with the first thing, up with the second thing, and then down with the last thing. And then here's a longer sentence, and this is containing clauses. So see how it's got multiple commas. So we have clauses, and that means our intonation will rise the first time, it'll rise the next time, and then it'll fall on the final syllable. So very similar to what we did here. And then with questions that require a yes or no answer, there's always a rising intonation. Is that your mom? Or that's your mom? It's the same as in English. If you said, that's your mom, that has a very different meaning than saying, that's your mom? And so you can hear that that one is a question that needs more information, more than just a yes or a no answer. So if I'm asking you, that's your mom? Then you say yes or no. There's not really a maybe in there. But in this one, I'm asking you what time it is. Quelle heure est-il? So you have to go down because I'm asking you to give me more information. So now we'll listen to a yes or no question. So does she play tennis? So of course it's going to go up because it's a yes or no answer. But then we are going to have one that's going to go down because we need more information. And that just means, when are you coming? When are you going to be here? So that is a small tutorial. You'll probably need to listen to it a couple more times on how to do proper inflection. The great thing is it's very similar to English. It may just be a little more obvious. They put a little more emphasis on it. So on in our next assignment that's right after this on our page, you are going to go and make a Voki recording. There is a tutorial on there, so you can follow the tutorial or you can just figure it out on your own through the hyperlink that I put on there. So I look forward to hearing you and your recordings. Have fun. Bye.